Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Steam's slow download speed. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open Steam and click on Steam in the upper left corner, then select Settings. Navigate to the Downloads section. Here's what you need to do. Adjust the download region setting to a server that is closer to your location. This helps optimize download speeds by reducing latency. Next, ensure that under Download Restrictions, you disable any options that restrict downloads during specific times or limit bandwidth. It's important to allow Steam to utilize your full bandwidth capacity for faster downloads. Check the box that says Allow downloads during gameplay to ensure downloads continue uninterrupted even while you're playing games on Steam. Additionally, make sure Throttle downloads while streaming is unchecked to prevent Steam from reducing download speeds while you're streaming content. For further optimization, open the Task Manager and go to the Performance tab and select Resource Monitor. Here, you can identify any non-essential applications that might be consuming your network bandwidth. If you find any, right-click and choose End Process to free up bandwidth. Be cautious not to end critical Windows-related processes to avoid system issues. Once you've adjusted these settings and freed up unnecessary bandwidth, close both Task Manager and Resource Monitor. Log back into Steam and you should notice a significant improvement in your download speeds. So that's basically how to fix Steam's slow download speed. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.